Welcome to the Connect East Corner. For those of you who have large outboards, 350s, 400s, and so on and so forth, those need clean power. They need enough power all the time, and sometimes they won't start if they don't have enough power. And if you're running all your electronics off of one battery, you should be running off two. We developed a kit that's got an ACR unit in it, which actually allows voltage to run one way through a system to charge both batteries up, but it will keep your starting battery at top performance all the time. This is a RCE12VBM6IK, they call it, because it's got an isolator in it, an insulator. Let me show you how to hook one of these up. So anyway, we've got two batteries. We've got our battery connections hooked up on them, positive to positive, negative to negative. And you can see that I've got this system. What we do is we include these terminal connections in there. You want to put those on the inside of your battery compartment or against your transom, but not on the outside wall. And you want to hook the positive lead of this up to here, the positive lead or the negative lead up to this one. Sorry about that. We don't want to put the nuts on there yet. Okay? So what you do is hook them up that way. And then what you want to do is take your outboard power lead to positive and your negative outboard lead to this connection. So now that they're connected, so you've got clean power to both of those motors, or to one motor, or two motors. You could actually hook up to here if you wanted to be honest with you. If you got a kicker, you can hook it up here, or if you got a Talon or something that takes a lot of power, you can actually hook them up to these leads, because it's a direct lead from the battery. Comes right out of the battery to here. So, and this works with an ACR unit, or if you've got an AB switch, you can use the same thing to switch back and forth between batteries. And there's two power leads coming out of our equipment. You hook those up to the two things in the ACR unit. Now what this ACR unit does is it's going to isolate this particular battery right here for your outboard this way. So it isolates that, and then this battery is what you'd use for your accessories and so on and so forth. So what that ACR unit does is it keeps this battery always at 12.6 voltage where it's supposed to be, so you always have power to start your outboard. Which when you're out in Minnesota, we shoot Lake of the Woods, we go to a lot of big places with a lot of big water, and you're a long ways away from places, right on the Great Lakes, Erie, any other place, or you're really out all day long. You want that outboard to start. It actually isolates this because your outboard's hooked up to this battery. The ACR unit keeps this battery separate from this battery, so you can use all your accessories into this battery. And what it'll do, it'll allow you to hook up your charging unit to this battery. It'll flow voltage this way, but it does not flow it this way. That's what an ACR unit will do. We have these for sale as well. You can buy them at just about any marine store or online. And how this works is you hook up this one for your motor, and then we're going to take, and we showed you how to hook up our accessories. So you take the accessories and plug it into there. You plug this one into this one, and now you have a complete unit in the back of your boat. Two separate batteries. This one's always fully charged, so you've got a full charge for your outboard. And also this will actually allow you to have a separate battery, which actually will run all your electronics and stuff, so you always have an outboard motor battery that's fully charged all the time. Thanks. We'll see you on the water. Enjoy your fishing.